So today, to cut the metal and bend it into shapes so we can fix the holes in the van, I'll be using pliers, metal scissors, ruler, sharpie and a level. In long bits that I'm gonna be cutting, I'm gonna be using a disc cutter. Yeah, I'm also gonna show you how to change a disc, even if the back bit that you have to press in to lock the blade is broken. Yeah, and obviously metal sheets and a hammer so we can make the bends. Okay, to change the disc, it's very simple. Usually what you do is you have a button at the back. You can put many different types of heads on these angle grinders. I have this cutter here to cut metal, and this is to sand it down so the metal can be welded. So usually what you do is you press this button and you use a tool like this. You put it in and you unscrew it. But this one has a button that's missing. It doesn't have a button. No worries, you can still use it. All you need is like a little nail or screw or something, so you can push it down the button. You keep it there. Ah, now it's already undone. It does itself. Yeah. So this way it's all locked. Good. Yeah. So you press this inwards and you twist. So then it comes off. You take off the disc. You take the new disc. Place it in a circle. Screw it on. And grab by the disc and twist it this way, and it's gonna lock. If you want to be more secure, you can put this one in and do the same thing. But don't over tighten it, otherwise you won't be able to get it off. As simple as that. It's all ready to do something with it.